Good morning, Professor. This is Sanket Karki, and I am here to give the presentation on the topic sales, customer, and product analysis using Power BI. Let's start from the introduction part. This presentation is devoted to the analysis of sales, customer, product, and prices data with Power BI. The information is available in various countries and cities that can be analyzed geographically in terms of prices and time. The primary goal is to know the distribution of both the customers and product, analyze the key elements of sales variables like price and discount, trace the trends with time, and create the data-driven insights that can result into making better business decisions using interactive dashboards. So this is a map that illustrates the distribution of customers in countries and cities. As we can observe, customers can be rounded in certain areas like Europe, Asia, North America, and Australia. The level of customer density is evidently more in certain cities than in others. This means that the demand of the customers is not well distributed across the world, allowing the business to know priority markets where its marketing, customer service, and expansion can be more targeted. It is a visual that gives the distribution of products geographically in terms of countries and cities. Some areas may have good product presence, while these areas may not necessarily match customer concentration areas. This implies that the supply and demand of products may not match. The business will be able to identify these gaps by which they can optimize inventory and distribution strategies so that they can more effectively match products with those regions where they have the best customer demand. The next slide is about the analysis of the unit price, discount, tax, and the quantities. This chart mainly compares the important sales and pricing elements: unit price, discount, the amount of tax, and the quantity. It is analyzed that unit price provides the largest contribution to the total sales value as compared to discounts and tax that comprise a smaller share. This implies that the pricing strategy is more successful in generating revenue as compared to heavy discounting. Thus, optimization of pricing decision can be more efficient in increasing the revenue than using the greater discounts. The next slide is about the total sales trend by the day, which shows the sum of the total price by year, quarter, month, and the day. The following chart shows the total sales value on day-by-day basis in the late June to July. Sales vary with time, and they are characterized not by stability but by peaks and declines. Such differences can be the impact of promotions, season needs, or operations. This brings out the fact that sales performance is dynamic. By tracking these trends, the business can better plan on different factors like promotions, staffing, and inventory according to the time of high demand or the low demand. So these are the key insights and business recommendation. The key insights involve the customer demand is more concentrated in specific global regions. The second point is that product distribution does not always align with the customer density, and the unit price is the strongest contributor to the total sales than any other factor, and sales performance varies significantly over the time. So in conclusion, the demand of the customers is clustered in certain parts of the world, whereas the distribution of the products is not necessarily in the right direction of the demand. The most powerful factor of total sales is the unit price, like I said, and the sales performance is seen to fluctuate significantly over the time. With insights in mind, the business will target the marketing procedure to the high density areas, optimize product placement in the areas that are not performing, and to be able to constantly observe the trends. The businesses should utilize the interactivity of Power BI to promote constant data driven decision making. So, these are my references based on the presentation and the report. Thank you so much for listening.